Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Roselena and I am back with another hair tutorial. So in this video, I'm actually going to show you guys how I install my curly clip-ins. I was getting ready to go somewhere and I thought to myself that I might as well film me doing my hair, because honestly, I get a lot of questions in real life about my hair and like what exactly do I have in my hair, or how do I get it to look the way it does. And I just feel like I really want to kind of broadcast how I achieve the look I do, and yeah, just give tips to anybody who needs them. So as you guys know, I cut my hair a couple months ago and I have a short TWA under here, but I've been putting in clip-ins for years now, honestly, and I feel like my hair blends way better now that it's short and healthy than before I even cut my hair. So I definitely have it down to a science, and I can literally do it without a mirror. Well, I don't want to say without a mirror, but it feels like I can dang near do it with my eyes closed. So I feel like I might as well share my tips with you guys, unless you need any tips on how to blend short natural hair with clip-ins, how to install curly clip-ins, how to achieve the best results, anything like that. Definitely stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so here you see I'm about to show you my hair, and like I said, I have a TWA that is growing out, so I would definitely say my hair is in a awkward stage right now, but it is extremely beneficial for me, honestly. I feel like it definitely, for some reason, blends in better with my clip-ins. I don't know how, but it does. And I feel like keeping it in my go-to style, which is the coils you see, definitely help the clip-ins lock on better. I feel like whenever my hair is loose or like freshly washed and just not secured in a style, it's hard for the clip-ins to stay in my hair. If you wear clip-ins, you know they do slip if your hair is not kinky or have any texture at the roots. So the more texture, the better. Your clip-ins will stay in your hair. So yeah, this is just my personal favorite style for multiple reasons, but definitely for the clip-in purposes as well. Alright, so here I'm showing you my clip-ins and how many I have. I actually made these by hand. I just bought the wefts and sewed on the clips myself. I've actually had these clip-ins for probably years now, or the hair at least for years now. I only use ISEE Kinky Curly Hair. It is just my favorite of all time, and it literally lasts forever. So yeah, I believe I have 9 to 10 wefts I made. They're all just different lengths and personalized. As you wear clip-ins, you will personalize them to your liking, but I usually start with the shortest in the back and longer going up. It just gives me the afro look that I desire. So here you see me installing the first clip in the back. And I am telling you guys, with my hair in this style, it is extremely easy to find a spot for it to hold and lock into with security of your clip-ins not slipping much or falling out. I feel like whenever I wear my hair straight, it's way more harder for them to stay put. And I personally don't even know how other races or ethnicities wear clip-ins, because even on my texture, there's a little bit of slippage, but it's not bad. I just can't even imagine how other races or ethnicities wear them. They would literally just fall out, in my opinion. So yeah, if you have a 4-type hair texture, this is definitely the way to go, and you're extremely lucky, like myself, because we have sort of a texture that keeps everything put. You see here, I am basically going in rows of my coils. Again, another reason I really love this style because it just makes life so much more easier, and I really can just go off of like where I feel the coils are. As you see, I start with a shorter layer in the back, and as I move upward, I use the longer pieces just for the afro effect that I am going for. I feel like it's a way more natural look if you do that type of method. And as I'm in the back, I go usually in slightly straight or curved rows. But as I get towards the top, I go into a horseshoe shape. So here you see I am in the crown area of my head, and this is where I am about to finish and switch it up a little bit. So at this point is where I usually have 4 clip-ins left, and what I do here is the 2 clip-ins close to the crown I do going back in straight rows, kind of like the rest of my head, and I also do 2 rows going forward. Now, the forward method makes the hair fall extremely natural and just way better. I'm not really sure how, but definitely you want a few rows to go forward towards your eyes. Even though you're gonna push it out of your face, it just makes it look really realistic. So I usually do the 2 rows in the front first, because the other 2 rows in the center of my head are really kind of irrelevant of how many clips I use. But I want definitely the 2 rows going forward to be on point and look amazing. So I do those first. And then after I do the 2 rows in the front, then I just pretty much plop the other 2 rows in the middle wherever there's space. All right, so now you see here, I am finished. Estoy finito. So yes, you guys, or girls, of course, I am done. I'm pretty much just adjusting, flipping my hair, and trying to blend my short pieces in the front to kind of elongate it and cover up the track a little bit. But overall, I don't really care because people know my hair is short. So if anything, this looks like the most natural thing in the world. If you want to cover up the track a little bit more though, my method is use a bobby pin to kind of flip it down and secure it behind your hair. Takes a little bit of experimentation, but overall it's no big deal to hide a track. And once that track is hidden, you are good to go and easy breezy beautiful. All right, you guys, so I lied. This is not mandatory, but this is my personal preference. Of course, we got to do the baby hairs. So I'm getting my favorite gel and I'm just going to grab a toothbrush and do my little baby hairs. And then I am officially done. But yeah, a hairstyle is not a hairstyle for me without my baby hairs being laid. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and like my hair. So yeah, that's basically how I get my curly clip-ins look, I guess. I don't know. That's how I get this look, and it is just so beautiful to me. I feel like easy breezy black girl. Like, this is literally my hair goals, and this is hopefully one day what my hair will look like when it's grown completely to this length. But until then, we will achieve that look with clip-ins. So yeah, this is just what I've been doing, and I hope you guys enjoyed, learned a few things. And definitely stay tuned for my future tutorials because they're coming. And until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.